Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
This time around, for all the undergraduate programs which are affiliated to Goa University and which are offered in the colleges, which are the administrative purview of Director of Higher Education, will be starting from 1st June onwards. All the students who wish to apply for any other courses which are offered in this area, as well as the government colleges which are under the administrative of DHA, will have to apply through the online mode. The link for the application for this admission will be available on the DHA website. We started this online admission process from last 2 years onwards. So this is the third consecutive year we are starting. We are running with the online application. Now, since that this is a common platform and portal to apply for any of the courses or any other programs for any of the colleges which are under the DHE. So the student need not approach to individual college or for a prospectus. They can directly apply through this link which is available on the DHE portal. The prospectus of all the colleges for the courses which are offered are available in the digital mode and they are also available in the e-mode. So the student who wish to apply for 2-3 colleges need not have to buy those prospectus, whereas they can just download those particular prospectus which are available in the respective website of the colleges. So once the portal is open, the student has to register themselves first and then continue with the application. Now, while continuing the application, the student need to have certain mandatory documents such as their SSC mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, and in case if they are applying under any reserve categories, they need to have those valid documents, either it is in SC, ST, OBC, or even in the EWS category. Now, since the only 12th standard board results are out, but the other board results are not declared yet. So we don't want to deny those students from applying through the admission process. So even those students whose results are not declared will be able to apply. But the admission will be subject to uploading of the valid documents once the results are declared. Now, while applying, the students will have to give three preferences of different colleges. Now, some of the students might need to apply or maybe would like to apply for different subject combinations which are available either in the same college or even maybe in a different college. So the two preferences, choices are mandatory. The third is optional. Like for example, the students would like to apply for a BA LLB, they can choose different colleges. There are two colleges which are available. They can select both the colleges based on their choice of preference.